This simple guide will show you how to add and remove items from your eBay watch list. Whether you're a seasoned eBay enthusiast or just getting started, managing your watch list is a great way to keep track of items you're interested in without committing to a purchase right away. Let's dive into the process, starting from the very beginning. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the eBay website by typing ebay.com into the address bar. This will take you to eBay's homepage, where you can see a variety of featured products and categories. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Logging in is crucial because the watchlist feature is tied to your personal account, helping you keep track of your interests across multiple sessions. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, the next step is to search for a product. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of the item you're interested in. This could be anything from electronics, clothing, or collectibles. After entering your search term, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of all the related products available on eBay, giving you a wide range of options to check out. Now comes the fun part, browsing through the search results to find a specific item that catches your eye. When you find something interesting, click on the product title or image to go to the product's detailed page. This page is where you can find all the relevant information about the item, including pricing, shipping details, and seller information. It's a good idea to take a moment here to review these details to ensure the item meets your expectations. Once you've decided that you're truly interested in this item, look for the option that says Add to Watch Lists. You'll typically find this button near the top of the product page, often close to the buy or bid options. Clicking this button will add the item to your watch list, allowing you to easily return to it later. Adding items to your watch list is a handy way to monitor price changes or to keep an eye on the item until you're ready to make a purchase decision. Now, let's say you've changed your mind or the item is no longer of interest to you. Removing an item from your watch list is just as straightforward. Go to your eBay watch list by finding the My eBay section, usually located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Watch List. Here, you'll see all the items you've added. To remove an item, simply find the item you want to delete and click on the option that says Unwatch. This action will remove the item from your list immediately, helping you keep your watch list tidy and focused only on items you truly want to monitor. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently add and remove items from your eBay watch list. This feature is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to shop smartly on eBay by keeping track of all potential purchases in one convenient place. Remember, maintaining a clear watch list will make your shopping experience more organized and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on eBay!